All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman with the Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck. It's a 250 SDX. We'll start at the back with the submersible swim platform. This lowers into the water for ease of entry in the boat. You've got your sun deck back here, forward or rear facing. 2 walk-through coolers, fusion head unit here, so you can control as you enter or leave the boat. We walk inside the boat. Both passenger and driver seats fold forward and reverse. Up on the dash, you've got the fusion head unit again with the Simrad. This boat's equipped with a 6.2 300 Mercruiser inboard outboard. This boat has a head down below with a small berth for maybe nap time for a couple of the kids. And when you come up front, plenty of room for entertaining in the front with a hideaway cooler. Also, you got your table pedestal mounts, so you can put the table in the bow or in the cockpit of the boat. Again, this is MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got the 250 Sun Deck.